Good morning.
What a hiccup! I don't know, PG. Where is this music coming from?
Oh, it's coming from this planet.
Wow! Cool!
This music is certainly a game trace. Game catchers ready to go?
Yeah! There's a new game to catch! Go!
Let's take off exploring. Through space our ship is soaring. As we search for games and new friends. We do love exploring. We never find it boring. Touring galaxies without ends. Our universe is full of games and fun. For everyone, we're the Game Catchers! It's so cute!
Hi, we're Bib, Bob and Bub. Who are you?
We're the Game Catchers!
And we go from planet to planet to learn. Dino!
Whoa!
Then you're like us. It's called Touch the Ball. Wanna play?
Yeah! How is it played?
It's really easy. Someone takes the ball and counts to 10 with his eyes shut very tight,
1, 2, 3.
while the others hide. Then, on the count of 10,
9, 10.
he puts the ball down and goes looking for the hiding children.
I see you.
If you're found out, you can still save yourself, but you need to reach the ball first and touch it. Otherwise...
You're out of the game. Gotcha. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Oh!
But if you're the last one left in the game and you manage to touch the ball, everyone is free again!
The only one missing is Bub. She can set us all free.
Gotcha.
No! I've got the hiccup!
Come on, Bob! Yay!
And you're out.
Oh,
It was the hiccups. Four.
You're right. If you've got the hiccups, how can you hide? Now what can we do?
we need to cure her hiccups or we won't be able to play. It's too easy to find her. Good idea, PG. Why don't you try holding your nose?
Maybe you could try this. Raise one arm. Now a foot, then close one eye and raise your other foot too. How about if we try turning you upside down? Oh! Oops!
I can try.
Oh, nothing's working.
Yeah. What do we do now?
That sounds like music.
I like it.
It's gone!
Hooray! So we can play now.
Yay! Hi, Bib.
Hi!
Oh no, Bib!
I'm free!
Everyone's free!
Thank you. It was so much fun to play with you.
It was fun for us too. Come visit us soon.
It was a really fun game, but one of the girls had hiccups.
We cured her though.
With music! I went like this. Whoa!
I went
So much fun!
Nice tune. Here comes the Games Fair.
Whoa!
And so the game of Touch the Ball joins our collection.
Hooray! Mission accomplished!